We're going to try some new treats today, okay? Yeah? Do you want to try some, Nuka? Do you want to try some treats? Let's try one new one that we've got. Pineapple, apple, cucumber, and for a treat afterwards, a watermelon, because we know they like that. Do you want treats? Mishka? You want treats? Mishka? Syfy want treats? Nuka, do you want treats? Nuka? No? Okay. Okay, Squibby, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Pineapple? See what you think of pineapple. Mishka, you want to try some pineapple? Sit and wait. Okay. That disappeared. Was that nice? Yeah? Let's try some cucumber. Sit. Wait. Syfy. Mishka, sit. You manage it? Come on then, go this way a bit. Come on. Come here. Come round. Come up here. Good girls. Come on. It's alright. Sit. Sit down then. Mishka, come here. Mishka, come here. Sit. Stay there, girls. Wait. Bit of apple. Swibby. Mishka loves her apple, didn't you? Hey, do you like your apple? Sit down then. No, get down. Wait. Mishka, sit. Mishka. Thank you. Wait. Wait. And some more pineapple, Syf. Mishka. Sit down. Stay there. Syfy. Cucumber. Mishka, get down. Thank you. Cucumber. Good girl. See if you like some more apple. Oh, yummy apple. See if Mishka down. Back up. Mishka. What did you say? Do you want apple? Here. You want some apple? What did you say, Mishka? Oh, you want some apples? Here. You want apples? You want some apples? Hey. Here. You want your apples? There you go. Have your apples. If you want more cucumber. What do you say, Syf? No. Syfy, speak. Syfy, speak. Syfy. What'd you say? I heard you, Nuka. What'd you say, Syf? Syfy speaks. Syfy speaks. Good girl. Mishka, sit. Good girls. I think these fruits are all a huge hit. Aren't you? Hey, are they a hit? Syfy, cucumber, apple, sorry. Mishka, apple. Nuka, do you want some? Can you speak? Nuka, speak. Do you want some speak? Nuka, do you want some treats? Speak. There's a good speak. Good girl. Do you want to try some? I'll get you some in a second, Nuka. 1 second. Get down. Down. Last two bits and then you get your watermelon, okay? Mishka, get a big chip. See if he gets a smaller one. There, good girls. Okay, pause a minute. What have we got, girls? What have we got? It's watermelon. Miska and Syfy love watermelon. Do you want to try some, Nuka? I don't think you'll like it. Syfy, get down. Down. Wait. Wait. Let Nuka try. You want to try some? Syfy, no. Syfy, no. Miska, try some. Nuka, try? No? Okay, sit down, you two. Sit down. Syfy. Mishka. Is that good, is it, girls? Okay, is that nice? Is that okay, Miska? Girls, was that okay? Yeah? Was that nice? Hey? Was that nice, Miska? Was it? Was that some good stuff? Zibby, is that nice? Yeah? There's my good girls. Come here then. You want something else? You sit? You sit, girls. Come on, Miska. Was that nice? Was that good stuff? Hey? Was that nice? Was that some good things? Hey? Some nice treats? Was it? Yeah, good girl, Misk. Was that some good stuff, Syf? Sit down then. Wait. What'd you say? What'd you say? Good girl, Miska. Syfy, what'd you say? Good girl, Nuka. What'd you say? What'd you say? You have a taste each. Get your tongues in. Okay, that'll do. I've got to throw up something for Nuka next. No, it's Nuka's turn for treats, isn't it, Nuka? Hey, you want treats? Here. You deserve a treat, don't you? Yeah, I know. What do you want? Do you want a peanut butter cookie? Hey, is this what Nuka wants? Nuka doesn't like healthy food. Do you not? You don't like healthy things. Is that it? Is it gone? Is it all gone? Is that okay? Yeah? Was that nice? What'd you say? Say thank you. Good girl.